Broan-NuTone room fans and grills, delivering fresh air with impressive ventilation, all while adding just the right design touch. Broan-NuTone ventilation fans and grills have the power to improve the air while offering unrivaled features. We're creating smarter, innovative vents like humidity sensing fans, antibacterial light technology, and grills with Bluetooth speaker technology. We also cater to every design need with options like recessed lighting fans and multicolor LED fans. At Broan-NuTone, we're improving indoor air.
This is a very high performance bath fan. Puts out 90 CFM at 2.5 zones, which is a very low sound level. It's made by Air King, obviously. Comes with a large 10-inch by 10-inch grill, and then the torsion bars hold it on, torsion springs, which are right there underneath. So they quickly disconnect. The motor itself is a split capacitor 4-pole motor that's lifetime lubricated and rated for continuous operation. That shows you what kind of quality you're getting here. The fan housing itself is ABS plastic that's rated for flame retardants. There's a 4-inch duct work right here, and the back draft flapper is non-metallic, so it's very quiet. That bracket on the side is important because it allows for very quick installation. You connect the wiring and the ducting after you screw that bracket onto the ceiling joist, and you snap the fan into place. So it's one of the fastest bath fans you'll ever have to install. I'll unscrew the access plate here to allow you to get to the wiring and show you what that looks like. Overall, this is a UL rated product for tub or shower if it's connected to a GFCI circuit. You need 6 inches of clearance in the ceiling for the bracket. There's the access with the wiring underneath, and there are a couple of punch outs so you can run in the wiring right there. Yeah, you can see them on the side and on the back. It's a heavy-duty fan, very quiet, and with that continuous rating, it makes for a super nice, high-quality fan. It will last a long time. Here's some more details on the motor. You can see there 120 volts, 60 hertz at 0.45 amps, so less than half an amp. You can see the fan here with the multiple blades on the inside. Spins very freely. It's balanced. Just a really high-quality product. I think you'll like it a lot.
stops. Motion got me all faded. My heart got me going all crazy, and